Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Sathi. Let me ask you something. Have you ever heard this advice? If you want to speak English fluently, start thinking in English. I'm sure you have. But have you ever asked, how can I think in English? Because nobody explained the real process. Think about it. If I don't know the English words for my daily life, then how will I think in English? For example, if I don't know how to say, I'm making my bed, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm watering the plants, then what exactly am I going to think? This is the biggest problem for many English learners. Everyone tells us the destination, think in English, but nobody explained the real road. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you the road. I'm going to take you through a normal day of life and show you how you can turn your daily activities into English thinking practice. Even if you're a beginner, you can start from today. So let's begin. First, let's understand what happens inside our brain. Imagine someone asks you, what did you do this morning? Your brain start working. First, you think in your mother tongue. Then you translate it into English. Then you check your grammar. Then you think, is my sentence is correct? And because of this translation process, you take too much time to speak. The problem is not that you don't know English. The problem is that your brain is trained to translate. And in this video, we are going to train your brain to think directly in English. Now remember one important thing. You cannot think in English with words you don't know. So the first step is not just think in English. The first step is learn English through your daily activities. Okay. Don't start with hard vocabulary. Start with things around you. For example, your room, your kitchen, your study table, your daily activities, because these are the things you think every single day. For example, chair, table, bottle, phone, book, etc. The more daily words you collect, the easier it becomes for your brain to create English thoughts. Now let's practice together. Imagine you just woke up. Don't say in your mind, আমি ঘুম থেকে উঠেছি. Train your brain to say, I'm waking up.
I'm waking up. I'm stretching my body. I'm getting out of bed. I'm putting on my slippers. I'm making my bed. I'm opening the window. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm washing my face. I'm drying my face with towel.
I am drinking water. I am sweeping the floor.
See, these sentences are not difficult, but these small sentences are building your English thinking habit. Now let's continue our day. As you can see, I'm not using difficult word. I'm simply describing what I am doing. Like,
I am opening my book. I am reading a chapter. I am highlighting important information.
did you notice something? None of these sentences are difficult. These are all simple actions we do every single day. And that's exactly how you can start thinking in English. Now I want you to do something. Look around your room. Pause the video if you need. Now choose any object. You see a chair, say, this is a chair. You see a phone, say, my phone is on the table. You see a book, say, this is my English book. You are not memorizing sentences. You are training your brain to connect object with English. Now comes my favorite exercise. Talk to yourself. Yes, you heard it right. When you are alone, you describe your action in English. For example,
I am opening my book. I am reading a chapter. I am highlighting important information.
don't feel shy. This is not a strange habit. This is one of the best exercise to build fluency. Now, many learners make one mistake. They thought first, I will perfect in grammar, then I will speak. But language doesn't work like that. You will learn by using. You will improve by making mistake. Your first thought may not be perfect, but that's completely okay. Your goal is not perfect in English. Your goal is to make your brain comfortable with English. For the next 7 days, I have a challenge for you. Whenever you do something or anything, think in English. Eat food, think in English. Study, think in English. Walk outside, think in English. Slowly, your brain will stop translating, and one day you will notice English thoughts are coming naturally. This is the beginning of fluency. Always remember, fluency starts in your mind before it comes out of your mouth. You don't need thousands of difficult words. You need English words to describe your own life. Okay, so learn them, use them, and repeat them. And slowly train your brain to think directly in English. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English with Sathi. And comment below. I will start thinking in English. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye.